In this video, we are going to convert this empty space into a raised garden bed using these 2x8s and some dirt. We're going to start by loosening this dirt, then scooping it into this tarp that is right here. We're now attempting to try and remove this. After digging up the pad, we have decided to utilize this whole space. We'll try and dig out some of the dirt and then notch this here so we can put the 2x8 in there. Because of this concrete here for the fence, we'll stop the bed about right here. We're going to sawzall this at about the same place across. Now that this piece is out, we're digging this deeper so it's at the same depth. Because of this downspout adapter, we're going to cut this piece on this side about 6 inches shorter than the other so we can box this in. These are level now so we can continue. This other side has been completed. This is the layout for what we're going to do on this side. We've gotten this secured now. We can start putting dirt and compost in the bed, filling in the gap along here, and then we should be finished. We put another 2x4 on top here and put some dirt in here and compacted it. We filled this with not completely done compost off camera. Now we're starting to sweep away some of this dirt from here before using this pavement repair in the crack. We've also put some of the repair kit here because the slope goes this way, so water has been pooling there. So we're going to start tamping now. So we put some stuff in here and we're using this piece of wood to compact it. We've used this tamper and it definitely works very well. So this raised bed is finished for now. This is a before picture, and then this is the now picture. You can definitely see there's a drastic change, and this will definitely look much better once we have some actual plants here.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.